Hello guys, I've decided to make a course on Python. Why Python? Well, number one, it's open source, it's free, it needs a lot less coding, it's very easy for someone, a beginner, to get started with Python. Everyone can afford it, meaning you could be working for a government that uses open source, or you could be working for a private organization that's privately funded. Everyone uses Python. Most of the big companies use Python. Some examples are Google, Spotify, Instagram, and Dropbox. Everything is possible in Python. You could do a UI application or a Flask application, which could be a web app, or you could make games, you could do AI, you could do complex calculations. So any application you have, Python fits in. The other advantages include easy syntax, readability. It's a high-level language, so it's easy to read and understand. You could write less lines of code. It's cross-platform. You could write Python apps for any OS, really. It's safe, it's futuristic. Most of the modern applications are built using Python, so that makes interoperability easier. So without further ado, let's get started.